Welcome to Lazada University, Hub for E-commerce education. In this video, we will teach you how to join a campaign using the campaign management tool in Seller Center. Let's get started. To participate in an upcoming Lazada sales event or promotion, log in to Seller Center. Click on Promotions and then Campaign Management. Or you can also click on the Join button in the specific campaign widget on the Seller Center homepage. Under the Available Campaign tab, you will see a list of campaigns that you are eligible for. Click on the Join button of the upcoming campaign you wish to participate in. Page, take note of the key details before you proceed. Campaign period. This shows the start and end date of the sale that will be featured on Lazada's website. Registration is the date by when you need to sign up for the campaign. You will not be able to join the campaign after the registration date has passed. Here, you can also see the number of sellers that have registered for the campaign and the total products that have been submitted. Below is the criteria for the campaign. Do take note that products you list meet these criteria for the campaign. Once you have read and understood these details, click on Join Now. At this stage, you will need to start adding products for the campaign. There are two ways to list products for the campaign: add product manually and mass listing. Let's start by adding a product manually. Click on Add Manually. Here, you will find the list of products that are eligible for the campaign. Select the products that you would like to add and then click on Confirm. Once the products have been added, enter the campaign price. Make sure the price follows the discount criteria. Then, click on Submit. Let's now show you how to mass list products for the campaigns. Click on Export Excel. Then, once the download link appears, click on it to export the file. Open the file. This contains all your products that are eligible for the campaign. Enter your sale price in the campaign price column. Don't make any changes by adding non-qualified products. This will cause your upload to fail. The recommended price column will be left empty if Lazada has not set a minimum discount rule. After you have entered the sale price, save the file on your computer, then click on Import Excel and Upload Excel. Select the saved file and click on OK. Once the file is successfully uploaded, you will see a green tick next to your file name. If the upload is not successful, you will see a red cross. Download this error report to find out more and correct the issue. After the products have been successfully listed, it will go through a quality check. You can see the results by going to the Campaign Management page, Registered Campaign tab, and then under Registration in Progress. You will see your submission. Click on View Details. In the Status column, you will be able to see the results. Here are some tips to help you with joining a campaign. Check and update your product description, images, stock, etc. under Manage Products before applying for a campaign. Remember, if you fail to follow the criteria set for the campaign, your products will be rejected accordingly. Make necessary corrections to your rejected products and resubmit it for the campaign. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found this useful. Visit Lazada University for the latest training decks on the campaign tool. Thank you for watching this video and happy selling!